How to fix Snapchat screen size. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is first quit the app. Swipe down from the bottom, then close the app and again launch it. Likewise, you can log out and again log in back. For that, navigate to the profile page. Now click on the settings option, scroll all the way down, click on log out again. Now again provide your credentials and log in back. Next, update the app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can contact Snapchat customer support team. For that, launch your Snapchat, navigate to the settings page. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down, then click on the option Help Center. Once you're in this page, what you have to do is scroll down and click on the option Contact Us. Submit a request. From here, you can select any of the option. You can select I found a bug, still need help, click on Yes. Now, different options will appear what's not working. You can select the option of the camera or the Snapchat is crashing. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now you have to fill these. First, type in your Snapchat username, email address, phone number, device in which you are using the Snapchat. Now, then type in when did you start having this issue. Likewise, you can take the screenshot and then attach it over here. And then finally, describe about your issue in detail. Once you fill this, click on submit. With that, Snapchat support team will get back to you. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. Your Snapchat screen size will be reset. So this is how you can fix Snapchat screen size. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.